Super tasty. See that?
Enjoy.
Hi friends, and welcome back to another interesting video. If this is your first time, you're welcome to this channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you too for always coming back to watch our videos. So in today's video, I'm so excited because I'm going to be going on a date with my husband. But before that, I'd love to show you what I just bought. This was a quick grocery shopping. So I got some tomatoes and I got some onions as well. So let me unpack everything, and then later on we'll be going on a date with my husband. So join us as I take you along on how this day was. Also, I cooked some maize, like fresh maize from our garden at home. You guys have never shown you a garden that we have around our home. I'll be showing you that in one of the other coming videos. Yeah, so first let's be unpacking. These tomatoes you're seeing here were given to me as a bonus after buying. Yeah, so I bought some green peppers, some carrots. Also I bought Irish potatoes. Yep, so this is for us to have a change on the food that we've been eating currently, like the rice, the matoke. So having a switch of some Irish, some sweet potatoes, some apart from the usual. So these onions also were given to me as a bonus. So I bought onions for 5,000 and tomatoes for 5,000. The green peppers, there were 4. They were for 2,000, and then carrots also for 2,000. That can take us for a week. Yeah, a week or two, yeah, of using our ingredients. And I love that I have to use things that are really fresh from the market. Yeah, so this is how the whole small grocery shopping looks like. So these are basically the spices that I used when I am cooking food. So let's pack them away. I usually use this purple basket here that you're seeing. This is where I usually store my onions. And then for the tomatoes and the carrots and the green peppers, those ones I just make sure that I've washed them, and then I store those ones in the fridge. So sometimes I actually sun dry the onions so that they can last longer. That's one of the hacks that I grew up seeing my mom do. She would sun dry the onions or any other things that she wanted to preserve, and they would really stay for long. Let me know how you preserve your onions from getting spoiled. So sun drying is my hack. Let's wash our tomatoes and carrots, and then we'll be putting them in the fridge. So right now we are here. I am done removing the covers of that maize, the fresh maize. I don't know how they call those covers. Let me know how you call them. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. It is so fresh, guys, straight from the garden. It's been a long time since I really tasted maize, like fresh maize, because most of the maize that we eat in Kampala is from the villages, so it spends a lot of time on the way, let me say even days, before it reaches us here in Kampala. So this one is straight from the garden to the pan, and then I'm going to be boiling it. So this is how it looks like before removing those covers. Also, if you have noticed, I'm not removing all the covers off the maize, because when I'm boiling them, I want that natural scent or that natural flavor of the maize to actually remain there. And these leaves here, leaving them on, it keeps the maize to really smell nice, like all the flavors remain in, than when I boil it when it is all open. Yeah. Also, I think I would have used the banana leaves, but I was rushing by this time, so I wasn't able to get them. But if you are cooking corn, it is always good you just steam it in those banana leaves, and trust me, the aroma will always be so nice. So first, see how it looks like, guys. Nature guys, nature is giving us one of its best fruits. So this maize here was very tasty, guys. I can't wait to show you how it's going to look like when I'm done boiling it. So let's boil it. I'm just going to put water, so I don't have a steamer with me. If you have a steamer, well and good, just go ahead and do that. So since I don't have a steamer, I'm just going to pour in water, cover it, and put it on fire for it to boil. First of all, it is smelling so nice right now, and the maize is ready at the moment. As you can see, it is super soft, smells so nice, and I just couldn't wait to give it a bite. Fresh maize, guys. You know, maize is one of my favorite snacks. See that, guys? See how it looks like? It looks so nice. So this is how it looks like from the inside. This is me after taking a bite, and it was so irresistible, guys. I love it, and it turned out so nice, as you can see. So later in the day, we went out for a date with hubby. We were at a place called Karibu. These guys have really nice food. Their food tasted so nice and I loved it. So I had goat's meat and then had some brown rice. As you can see, hubby ordered some french fries with goat's meat as well. So this was pan fried goat's meat and it tasted so amazing.
Hi guys. Welcome for breakfast.
This is breakfast.
Yeah, it's breakfast. It's 11. Right now it's 11 in the morning.
Yep. Hey, so yummy. Look at my food.
I think mine is more tasty than yours. We also ordered for goat.
Super yummy. Looks super yummy. Nyama ya mbuzi ni noma.
Ni noma. Ni noma sana. Yeah, ni noma. Ni noma. It's slang. It's good. It means bad, but of course you know.
Noma means what?
It means bad. Noma means bad. But as we say here,
A slang.
it's a slang. Just like when you say that is a bad man, or yeah.
Bad man.
Bad man.
I mean it's good. It's super tasty.
Okay.
See that?
Enjoy.
Thank you. It's always a great time to catch up because, this is always the time we get to have a conversation, like the hard conversations. Also, this is the time we get to have to ourselves without the kids around. So if you are married, I would say this is something I truly recommend you have once in a while to also help you connect with your spouse. Yeah. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite moment. Mine is definitely the date. Yeah. So I'd love to hear from you. What else would you like to watch on this channel? We would be bringing in more family content, more cooking content. So kindly share in the comment section what would you like to be watching. Yeah.